Have you been considering using Quickbase to manage your business data? So you're not alone. Quickbase is a popular low-code platform that can be used to create custom applications quickly and easily. However, like any other software, Quickbase has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the disadvantages of Quickbase. We'll discuss things like cost, scalability, and ease of use. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of whether or not Quickbase is the right solution for your business. What is Quickbase? Before we get into the disadvantages of Quickbase, let's take a quick look at what it is. Quickbase is a low-code platform that allows you to create custom applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great option for businesses that don't have a lot of in-house IT resources. Quickbase offers a wide range of features, including drag-and-drop interface, workflow automation, reporting and analytics, mobile app support. Disadvantages of Quickbase. Cost. One of the biggest disadvantages of Quickbase is the cost. Quickbase is a subscription-based service, and the cost can add up quickly, especially if you have a large number of users. Scalability. Another disadvantage of Quickbase is that it may not be able to scale well as your business grows. This is because Quickbase is a hosted platform, which means that it relies on Amazon Web Services, AWS, for its infrastructure. If your business experiences a sudden surge in growth, it may be necessary to upgrade your AWS plan, which can be expensive. Ease of use. While Quickbase is designed to be easy to use, it can still be challenging for some users to get the hang of it. This is especially true if you're not familiar with low-code platforms. Other disadvantages. In addition to the disadvantages mentioned above, there are a few other things to consider when deciding whether or not to use Quickbase. These include limited customization options, lack of advanced features, poor customer support. Quickbase is a powerful platform that can be a great asset to businesses of all sizes. However, it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages carefully before making a decision. If you're looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-use solution for managing your business data, Quickbase may be a good option for you. However, if you need a more scalable and customizable solution, you may want to consider another platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.